Kwelinye icala i-Operation Dudula icela injongo zayo zokwenza i-AfriForum iphendule ngentetho zayo ezimalunga nokubulalwa kwabanini befama eMzantsi Afrika kunye nomthetho wokuthinjwa komhlaba. Lo mbutho uthi i-AfriForum kufuneka ithathe uxanduva ngezenzo zalo.
We're going to be very strict on how we operate. I mean, every time we've always said that we are operating in the confines of the law because we didn't want to find ourselves on the wrong side of the law. But manje, we have profs that it's also going to keep guiding us on how to do this. We are going to take people to account. We're going to be in and out of court because that's the main reason why profs are also joined us, to guide us and also help us with cases. I mean, the barbaric act that has just been done by AfriForum, it's uncalled for. They need to retract that statement. So we're going to make sure, we're going to launch a case against AfriForum to make sure that they retract that statement and they do apologize to the people of South Africa. I mean, for the longest time, Mamrev, people have lived under the apartheid times, and we have forgiven them for what they have done to our mothers and fathers. But yet again, they are promoting that again. They are showing us, they are spitting on our faces to say, we don't care about you. I mean, it's always been evident, they don't care about us. But manje, they are showing it. So we're going to take them to task. We are going to make sure they pay for what they have said.